Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to talk about Xiaomi's theme customization. Those who guys needs or love Chinese themes, this video is for those guys. So let's start the video. So first of all, if I go to the theme store, I can see I am currently using these themes. So I can see these themes has apps opening, closing animation. If I go to the settings, I can see settings panel was also changed and icons was also fluent and looking great. And these themes has also the widgets option. You can see the widgets is also very good, and the content center was also changed, status bar also changed. And this themes lock style, they go to the lock screen, I can see this theme has very good and cool lock style customization. Lock screen customization is really great. I can see this theme has also a dynamic island, and if I just press and swipe up, I can see you can change anything. You can change wallpaper was also you can do anything. And if I again you can change the time, etc is also changed from there. And also you can customize the buttons and the notification panel and the dynamic island. You can move or do anything as you want. So this theme is just great, so must check it out, these themes. So I can see this is my second theme, and this theme has also a very good, and I can see the notification panel also changed. And this theme also support the dark mode or regular mode. I can see in dark mode you will get the transparency mode, and the themes icons was also changed. And this themes has also a very notification and cool widgets. You can see this theme has also very cool and refined these themes. If I go to the settings panel, I can see these themes was also changed the settings panel as like iPhone type, and this icons is also iPhone like. And the most important things is these themes location customization is really good. When you plug into charger, you will get the MagSafe charging. If you just pattern hold double tap here, I can easily customize anything as you want. I can see the dynamic island, and you can change anything as you want. And the this theme is very good. So this is my third theme. I can see this theme is very good. If I go, you can see the this theme has also a cool notification panel, and you can see the widget sections. I can see and this theme, and I'm using this theme. This theme is also a good, and I think you guys will satisfied this theme. If I go to the lock screen, I can see the lock screen customization is really decent. And if you just double tap here, I can see you can change anything, wallpaper, timing as you want. You can change anything. And I think you guys, this theme has a lot of customization, so I think you guys will be satisfied with this theme. So this is my fourth theme, and this theme is this theme, and this theme is also good. And this theme has also a very cool refined settings panel, and you can see the notification panel is also changed. And this notification panel is like iPhone type, and the location customization is also really good, and icon is also cool. If you go to the login screen, you can see the location customization was also perfectly working, and you can change anything as you want. So this themes has also a dynamic island. So I think you guys will enjoy these themes a lot. And this is my another theme. I can see this theme has also a notification control. Notification channel is also changed, and you can see notification channel is also very cool and refined. The icons is also good as like iPhone type. And this theme is this themes, and you can easily change the login screen customization. If I go to the login screen, I can see this theme has also, this theme has no login customization, but this theme is very good and refined. I can see the notification panel and all the things are perfectly working. I think this ROM is also good for you. And this is my another theme. This theme is also good. I can see it was these themes, and this theme was also cool and refined. I can see this theme has very good notification and control center. You can see the control center is brand new iOS type, and all the things is perfectly working. This theme has also brand new HyperOS 2.0 lock customization. I can see the lock skin, whatever, and I can change the lock style, lock skin, color, font, everything as you want. You can change from there. And this theme is very good, so one must check it out, these themes. And this is my another theme. Those who love iPhone or iOS icons pack, and also it has a very cool notification panel. I can see the notification panel is really good. And this theme has also a good login screen customization. If I go to the login screen, I can see the login screen. If you use multiple apps, you will get a very cool customization from these themes, and you can change the font, color, everything as you want. And this theme has also support the dynamic island. Just you have to enable the dynamic island. And this is my another theme. This theme is this theme, and this theme has also the dynamic island, the apps opening closing animation, and notification panel is really cool and decent. This theme has also a very cool widget section. I can see the widget section is also good, and it has also very good performance. And if I go to the lock skill, I can see that it has also a lock skin customization. You can change anything from lock skin, and this theme has also the dynamic island, so must check it out. The dynamic island, you have to enable some items. After that you will get a good, and this theme has also a back and all the themes is very good. Yeah, so this is my today's theme customization, and if you do not get the theme store on the theme, you will go to the Chrome sections, and search the theme name. After that you will download the theme from there. And if you have no Chinese theme store, you can easily apply these themes by using a trick. You need to download this mtz file. After that, you need to backup the themes. After that, you will backup themes file. After that, you will go to the theme, and you can easily apply these themes on your any Xiaomi phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys don't understand something, message me on Telegram. I will try to help you, and I will try to give the themes name on my description box. So thanks for watching this video.